The Chinese Pepe is crashing once again. In this video, I'm going to be going over why that is. Going to be going over a few things that I'm actually a little worried about, and overall just giving you guys an update as to where I'm at with the Chinese Pepe. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy Crypto RJ. Now let's take a look, guys. We could see here at $41 million market cap, this thing is really starting to look a little scary. Now, for pretty much the whole year, I've been saying that this mark is the most crucial mark we have yet. And matter of fact, I'm actually going to pull this up on Deck Screener because I want to actually show you guys what I'm talking about. If you actually go and type in Pepe, and we'll take a look at a daily chart. Actually, take a look at the daily chart. I'm going to show you guys right here. So there is actually, I want to go to here. We're gonna actually, no, I think it should be fine. We're gonna go horizontal line, and literally like here, right here. Oh wait, why didn't the horizontal line? Okay, wait, hold on. Let me try that again. I'm gonna show you guys because I want you guys to understand this. Right here, there is support. Okay, so we could see now that I've drawn this support line, we can see, right? So there seems to be support at about 40 million, right? And this is where things start to get scary because we hit it down over here, right, earlier in September. Then we hit it over here in November, and we're hitting it again in December. Now, there's a couple things as to why this could be good. This could be good because this could be a triple bottom, which I'll show you guys in a bit, or we might break this key level of support here and just start free falling down. Now, another thing is 40 million is also like a layer of confidence for a lot of investors. It's a number, it's a whole number. It looks like people are going to be, like definitely selling off after. I think a lot of people are going to be taking profits as well because a lot of people are still in profits, right? There's a lot of retail investors that are going to be getting absolutely destroyed coming up soon. Now, another thing to note, guys, is the crypto fear and greed index. So what this means is when we are up here, right? So this like colored line over here, when we are up over here above 80 right here, we are in extreme greed. So I want everyone to understand, earlier on this month, we were in extreme greed. We went from extreme greed to greed, and then it wasn't until about the 17th that we started crashing, and we went from extreme greed to greed, and now we're in neutral. And I want people to understand, just because we're in neutral doesn't mean we're like at a true neutral. Psychologically, everyone was extremely greedy, and now going from extremely greedy to neutral, you're definitely going to start to feel fearful. You're going to be doubtful. You're going to start to feel things that you never felt before. No diddy. Now, with that being said, remember, if you actually go ahead, and this is actually an interesting chart to look at, if you go ahead and you look at the Pepe chart for the past year, and you look at this, it's almost the same, other than the fact that when extreme greed happened again, we did not make a new all-time high. So it is very interesting to see, and again, this is one of the most important charts of crypto. But another thing I want to share is, guys, regardless, it looks like holders are still growing. They've crossed over 52,000 on-chain holders, which is pretty interesting to see. And I also want to share this. So this is the triple bottom that I was talking about, and again, we did draw that support line. I don't know if this is actually a triple bottom, just because with triple bottoms, like again, technical analysis as a whole, I don't know if I really believe in it, but I do still like to mark up charts for the sake of marking up charts. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. But with that being said, when you have a market cap of $42 million, technical analysis gets thrown out of the window very, very fast. So that's another thing, right? Like it's very interesting to see where this thing is actually going to go. Like I said, and I've been saying in my videos, you guys can go ahead and backtrack and watch them. This support level is very key, and I'm going to be very interested to see if this actually breaks or not. Now, again, what I want to say as well, guys, is listen, this isn't to cause fear or anything. If you genuinely believe in the project, now's the time to buy more, right? That's just how it works. If you guys are done with this project, I would literally, I want to show you guys this one thing. Wall Street Pepe is what seems like to be the next biggest pre-sale project. Now, you guys already know on this channel we cover a lot of pre-sale projects, and a lot of them actually end up doing very well. There's a very, very odd chance that they don't pump right after launch, which if that's the case, we usually have a exit strategy regardless. But with that being said, this seems to be the next big thing. I'm gonna leave a link to this down below. They've raised $38 million, and I'm very excited for them. I know a bunch of whales that are aping into this, but again, a lot of people were buying into this super heavy earlier on in the month. It has definitely slowed down now, but we're gonna have to see what happens with the markets coming up in 2025. Now, guys, that is it for today. This is almost the last video that you guys are going to see. There's only a couple more videos you guys are going to see before we kick off 2025. So please subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.